Just giving me life. Okay, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano. Welcome back again to the channel. Today's video, guys, I haven't done something like this in a minute. It's been a long time I did something like this, but even before we get into that, man, it's just some housekeeping, little logistics, man. But guys, we did it. We hit 1,000 on this new channel. I appreciate everyone that has been supporting your boy since I created this new channel. This is really new experiments. Meanwhile, my other channel was getting resolved with the monetary issues. But yes, we are here, and I appreciate everyone that has brought this channel to this milestone, man. I really appreciate everyone that just hopped on. If you moved with me from the first channel, I appreciate you as well. Let's go, let's keep it going, let's keep on the momentum, guys. Hopefully 5K very soon. Nonetheless, we are here, and I'm doing a video where I'll be disturbing my neighbors. I know it's been a minute. Your boy has actually been, I don't know, I've been doing this thing on my previous channel. Like usually I come out every month, I preview my playlist, I go crazy, all of that stuff. But if anyone has noticed, I moved, I'm in a different location, so my neighbors are different this time, so there's different levels. So your boy had to like dial things down a little bit, you know, we have to keep it cordial. But nonetheless, I'll try something today for you guys. We'll see how that one goes. This is an experiment, but we'll see how it turns out. But first off, I'll be previewing a playlist that I have on Apple Music and Spotify. Let me know in the comment section, because I'm looking into Audio Mac. Let's see if that one can happen. But nonetheless, this is the songs and basically my soundtrack of the month on the previous month. I come here with my recommendations as to what guys should check out. So definitely stay tuned, sit back, relax, check out the playlist, of course, and yeah, we'll get into it, shall we? Hey. Come on. I'll take it a little bit hip hop, okay? There's a hip hop scene, okay? This is one of my hardest records I've been listening to. This is by Barzini, featuring Dr. Bars. Come on. Child. Hey. Come on. Just giving me life. This my favorite new artist of the month, and her name is Nima. And there's a song that she has. I think I found out from a Davido cover that she did. I think Joel, or she bodied it, and then I checked out she actually has a song out, and this is called Tomorrow Morning. And I just love the song. It has a very it reminded me of 2017 Simi when she was in that Juju Owambe bag. But Nima has this particular kick to it that it just stands out, and it's so unique and it's so infectious. And for a debut single, it's a very powerful attempt here at making a complete song. And I really loved it, and I kept this on rotation for a good while, man. And yeah, this is Tomorrow Morning by Nima. Hey, come on. Can you hear that guitar, bro? Hey, the bass. Let's talk about that bass, bro. Tomorrow. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. You go come again tomorrow morning. You go come again tomorrow morning. Sing it, and I'm coming now. You go come again tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning. Of course, this was just a preview of the playlist. Definitely go check it out on Spotify, on Apple Music. Hit the follow, hit the like of the playlist as well, so you can get updated automatically. I've been your boy Mano. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers so far. I'll see you guys on the next upload. Peace.